We're going to make robotics a commonplace thing, just like your vacuum, your car. It's going to run, it's going to operate, it's going to do the dull, the dirty, the dangerous, monotonous tasks we do every day. It'll do it better, faster, and more consistently than we will any day of the week.
So we started Asalon with the goal of providing full-stack robotics that provide true value to customers and ultimately do good. Our product, Drone Core, is essentially a robotic perimeter security solution. Every half hour to an hour, the robot automatically goes out on its patrol. Think patrolling fence lines, responding to alarms, any sort of security needs for the site. And then while it's doing that, it's streaming all the security video, the analytics in real time to that client's security team so that they have the best information possible. As a drone company, the FAA regulations are paramount for us. We have to be able to prove we have the policies and procedures in place to not only just build, but design, build, and then ultimately operate our aircraft in a safe manner within the national airspace. It was a natural migration to start to use CATIA to design our product, and we saw 3D experience and the ability for it to be that compliance standpoint, right? Getting to design, to manufacturing, to operations, and having a single platform where there's the proper controls and everything you need to ensure your product's compliant.
You can make the safest design in the world, but if you can't prove it with the data, without the processes, it's worthless. Having 3D experience lets us say, okay, here's the definitive version, and everyone can access what they need from it. And I'll get feedback from everyone. It's the engineers, it's the manufacturers, it's the maintainers, it's the operators. They all have a say in the process now. Earlier on, easier to digest. It's not a design review in a conference room. So it accelerates our innovation, our ability to get to a working end state faster. So we have to deliver to the FAA is something called an MDL, or Master Data List, which says, here is what you need to build a drone. Having that readily available is actually really difficult for most companies, and 3D Experience gives us that opportunity to do so in a way that's effective and, more importantly, like in a releasable state. 3D Experience gives us that option to lock the configuration, because that's what the FAA cares about. It's not whether you can build one aircraft, it's whether you can build 100 aircraft the same way every time with the same parts.
We've been operating this kind of full stack solution for a little over 2.5 years now in this security profile, and we're happy to boast over 35,000 commercial drone flights, which means we're learning faster, our product's getting better, and we're just accelerating that much more as we kind of grow and learn in the space.